What's up, good people? I wasn't going to make a post today, but I just want to briefly discuss why I'm not buying all of these dips. I just feel like right now, it'll be like trying to catch a falling knife right now. And there's a lot of things that's happening. So you're going to see, you're seeing a lot of YouTubers change their direction and what they're doing. And I see them getting they're getting hit. And I literally am sticking to what I previously said. The market is top heavy. It's too pricey. It costs too much. And eventually there's a drawdown. I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, I think it's going to happen between now and by the end of September. I think we're overdue for 5%. And I kind of want to get it out of the way so we can just move on, good people. We got the Delta variant that came out of nowhere, right? So these other YouTubers are not changing what their path is or what they've, their trajectory or what they projected to happen. But you have to change with the market, right? Inflation. The Feds kept saying inflation will be transitory, meaning short-lived, but it may not. And so you have to be ready and able to move with the market. If you are listening to anyone and they don't change what their defense is based on what the offense does, then you're following an unwise person. So right now, I've been telling everyone what I'm doing because I'm not your financial advisor. For every dollar I would even consider spending, I'm keeping $2 in my brokerages, ready to buy when the pullback happens. And it's just that, and I don't worry, I don't fret. And any stock I mentioned from now until the end of September, I mentioned one yesterday called Verb, but I don't want you guys to buy it. I mentioned it to put it on your radar, good people. And so I have some price points where I'm considering it. After I made my video yesterday, I bought some shares and I'm green right now. So I'm just going to swing it right now. But I believe it's going to further come down. All right. And so I'm going to keep saying it. I want to hit you guys with the truth. Consumer spending has went down. So when COVID first hit, like I explained yesterday, everybody had a ton of money. Savings was at an all-time high. Then we had 3 stimulus checks. Everybody didn't lose their job. People had jobs and people had money. And what did we do? We spent a lot of it. And we didn't care how much it cost because we were stuck in the house and we wanted to get out. We just wanted to do something. We wanted to go to dinner. We wanted to get in an Uber. We wanted to get on a plane. We wanted to get in a hotel. And we spent. And so now, and the Feds kept printing money. So now people are pulling back on their spending. Okay. So the retail investor or retail is tapering in spending in products. Okay. And so what's going to happen is our supply chain is still jacked up, which is going to further increase inflation. And so a lot of you guys have been asked saying, hey, well, these guys are changing what they've been saying. Those guys have been changing what they've been saying because they have to, right? And so what happened last time, early this year when we went through a correction is a lot of people, including myself, rotated over into crypto. And I will tell you that's what's happening right now. And so these are the dips that I'm buying. When they dip, every other day, dipping by 10%. And I'm buying those dips because I made more money in crypto in the last quarter than I did in stocks, to be quite honest with you guys. I got to keep it real with you, family. And so just be careful right now. Me personally, I'm not buying these dips. Like yesterday, the market tanked and then we come back, today. I'm not playing with that because I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. And so I'm just telling you guys, now you got to do your own research. I don't want you to miss any money. But I'm trying to, a lot of people said, hey, when I sold a lot of NEO, they said, hey, why are you selling NEO? Well, now I bought it back in yesterday at a lower price than what I had it in my swing trade. Now, my long term, I still have some, but now I'm swinging NEO and I'm trading it. And that's what I'm doing right now because personally, I think it'll get back down in the $35 range. And so I'm not buying it right now. I bought it when it dropped down to $37.74 yesterday or something like that. So I'm up today and I'm going to sell it. And so that's where I am, good people. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Hey, free of charge. Okay. But we're going to continue to make money. So for those of you that are not into crypto and you're thinking about it, I want you to consider downloading the Coinbase app that I have down there. And I showed you on yesterday's video on how to dollar cost average in. Coinbase makes it easy where you can just hit a button, say, I want this same amount going to this purchase weekly, monthly, bi-monthly. And so consider downloading the Coinbase app. Deposit $100. You're going to get some free Bitcoin by doing that. And I would consider Coinbase down there. And then I have BlockFi. And they have a credit card. So if you want to just make your regular purchases, you do that and you will earn free Bitcoin. Right? So we're going to be careful with the stock market, and we're also going to be careful with crypto. But crypto is it's much newer, and I see a lot more upside over the next year, especially over the winter, actually, believe it or not, with crypto. I believe that the market may start seeing daylight after September is over. That's traditionally, but especially right now, because listen to this. The experts think that the Delta variant of COVID will peak out mid-September. And that's where I see the correction coming. And it's just a odd correlation that it's where the market normally dips anyway, but this time you have the COVID variant. Now, they could get it under control, before then, and things may change. So don't get mad at somebody because they're changing their defense based on what the offense is doing, because it's going to help you guys make money. And so the best thing you could do is to continue to keep your ear to the ground, as they say. Especially listen to your boy, Uncle Larry. Welcome, Stock Up fam. And then listen to these other YouTubers and do your own research. For those of you that are new and you're just seeing this, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. And if you've been rolling with me, and especially if you're making money, and a lot of us have been making money, hit the like button and keep me out there. All right, good people? I'm going to leave it right there and keep it short. Hey, and always live, love, laugh, especially love. We need it, and learn, and stay positive, good people. Whenever the market is in trouble like this, there's a lot of negativity. Let's stay positive and let's love one another. Okay? Peace.